started way back when my husband and I went on our honeymoon to Fiji, and we met Mike and Diane Riley, and then we were introduced to Dana and Carmen Mori. So far, the things that I've done with the ministry have been quite a variety of different things. I think I've gone on 3 or 4 trips now so far. I have done everything from intercessory prayer to preaching in churches, to bringing my daughter around to orphanages. And then on one of our last trips, I even got to man a camera, which was very interesting. And so every single role that I've done so far has been very different, but yet the message still comes through. Well, I think the heartbeat of ALN is quite simple. It is just spreading the good news. It's the gospel, period, end of story. And it's all about Jesus, and he's the one who rocks, and he's the one who gets the glory, so yeah. Well, I mean, I think my experience has been, it's very different for each one of us, depending on the role that we're in. We take a look at some place like Africa, which is where we've been in recently, and we perceive these people to have less or little. But one of the things that I come away with in sharing the gospel, whether it's here or there, is we're all the same. And at the end of the day, it's about Christ. And it's about, do you want liberty, love, and faith? And to get rid of all the stuff that you've ever heard in the past that has brought you nothing but death. And do you want life? And so we're so different, yet we are so the same, period.